Home Designer software for Mac. Most of the home design software products in the market run on the PC platform, with just a few on the Mac OS X computing environment. Here are a few standout home design solutions running either exclusively on the Mac or on both Mac and PC workstations. Punch Home Design Studio. Retailing for just less than $100, the Punch Home Design Studio, made popular on the PC, has been ported on the Mac with the same features that let you realize on the screen your dream house, inside and out. It can now take advantage of the excellent 3D graphics capabilities of the Mac to render fast 3D drawing of your designs with the usual multi-angle views and textured realism that Punch Home Design Studio can deliver. 3D Home Architect Home and Landscape Deluxe Suite 10. Coming down a bit with lesser features and sophistication is the Architect Home and Landscape Deluxe Suite 10 from 3D Home. Costing just a third of the Punch Home Design Studio at $36 from Amazon, the suite gets the job done for most homeowners who are not really as interested in designing their dream houses but would like a simple tool that can save them the cost of hiring a professional architect. You get the same 2D and 3D rendering and modeling features with its expensive drag-and-drop library of design elements that make designing your house and landscaping around it a breeze.